Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Hi to my husband. Ngayo.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
My chef. And for today's video guys, we're going to cook something for our dish, for our meal. Lunch, and it's already brunch guys. So he already put the onions, the garlic, and the tomato, and he put some seasoning. That is plenty of oil, cooking oil. So yummy. The smell of the spices are yummy. Mag-grab shout out and thank you, Ma'am Shadi Miel. Thank you so much, Ma'am. I love you, Ma'am Shadi. Shout out and thank you also to Ma'am Paula. Ma'am Paula, we love you also, Ma'am. Likewise to Sir John, Sir Juan Carlos. Thank you, guys, for your generosity. And also to all of my supporters, subscribers, especially Ma'am Ibe and Sis Kai, Sis M, Sis Marie Diesta, Sis B9, shout out Sis B9. Ayan na po. Hinali na po niya ang aming ulam for today's vlog. Which is the pinakbet.
Pinakbet na wala ang bagoong. Kasi wala kami pambili.
You did not try the milkshake, honey.
Ay, ano pala? Tuyo asal, tuyo.
Sa ulok ko meron.
Tuyo ka sa ulo.
We'll add the mackerel. Mackerel or fish?
Mamaya na. Tumulog kasi. Atak ng wati ng buklet ni.
Ano yung bunganga mo?
Ramat to.
Andito, tinakpan mo!
Kosa.
Ayan, tinakpan mo dyan.
Tulog ka.
So, maulang umaga po guys. Dahil may bagyo po dito sa amin. Sa Pinas. Sa ngayon po ay nasa signal number 2 po ang Cavite. Buong Cavite, same with Metro Manila or NCR, the National Capital Region.
Ayun guys, takpan muna natin ha.
Guys, nilahok na po ni Yayo ang sardinas na makirel. O, diba? May kulay na siya guys. Yan ang ulam namin for today's video, for today's vlog. Nilagyan niya po din ng dalawang siling haba at ayan ang
Nylon.
Nylon. Bihon. Okay, yan ang ulam namin ngayong umaga. Pwede din hanggang tanghali guys. Okay?
Tanghali talaga yan, ang dami niya.
So that's it.
Dalawa lang naman tayo.
Dahil mahilig po kami sa gulay ngayon, dahil ako din po ay kailangan ng gulay. Ayan ang mackerel guys. Oh. Mackerel. Medyo malaki yung ano niya. So, pangalawang beses pa lang ako makatikim ng mackerel. Medyo matigas pa yung kalabasa, kaya mamaya pa po yan guys. So that's it. Thank you and hope you'll enjoy our video. Sana po wag nyong skip ang ads. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much and love you all.